Hello everyone and welcome to day 14 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today we are going to learn a SQL trick to rename the tables and column names in SQL Server. But before we dive into any details, a quick reminder to solve the fun SQL riddle at the end of this video. For renaming a table or a column name in SQL Server, you cannot use the alter command. You need to use sp_rename. Suppose we have a table called test with a column test ID. We have a particular requirement to rename this table to demo. We execute this command and it gives us a warning because it could break multiple scripts and relations linked to the original table name. So we have to be careful while using these commands. But let's take a look at the results. So I'm going to try to select from test again, and it's going to give me an invalid object name error because the table test does not exist anymore. The table test has been renamed to demo, so if I execute this query, I'm able to see the same test ID column from the original table test. Now I want to rename the column as well to demo ID, and so I will again need to use sp_rename with a slightly different format. So here we give the old column name, link it to the table name, give the new column name, and pass column as the last argument. Execute. You again get the warning message, but if I try to select from demo, I get the new column name as demo ID. Now that you know that there is a way to rename table names and column names in SQL Server, it's time for the SQL riddle. Post your answers in the comments below. If you can solve all the 15 riddles from a series, you can win free access to one of our SQL online courses. See you in the next video.